Want to learn how to create CS2 thumbnails like these? It is actually very easy. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you exactly how it works. First, go to VisualKit. The link is in the description, or you can search VisualKit. Create an account. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're inside, this is where you create your thumbnails. Start by choosing your category. In this case, I'm choosing CS2. Then, write what you want the thumbnail to show. For this example, I already have the prompt ready, so I'm going to reuse it. Under the prompt box, you can choose different thumbnail styles. For example, you can use a reaction style if you want to add yourself into the thumbnail. Then choose how many thumbnail versions you want. Once everything looks good, click Create. VisualKit will generate the thumbnails for you in a few seconds. And here is the result. Now I'll show you how easy it is to edit. I'm going to use the Edit tool to remove the character on the left. Just select what you want to change. Write the edit and let it update the thumbnail. And that's it. If you want to try this yourself, click the link in the description or search VisualKit. Create better thumbnails, win more clicks, and stop wasting good videos with boring packaging.